Okay, inspecting a roof right now. As you can see, it's a wood shingle roof, and it's in poor condition. As you can see, this is pieces falling off, exposed underlayment, no flashing where the wall meets the roof. There might be some there, but it's not visible because it's been patched. So when you see a roof like this, you just want to replace it. There's no need to repair anything here. This whole thing needs to be replaced. And this here is kind of a nice one to point out. This flashing here is not a standard flashing, and they got the flashing over the shingle. It belongs under the shingle, not over it. Not to mention this here. So poorly installed chimney flashing.